These are good bearings.
So fix it.
Is that a fidget spinner?
Yes.
Yeah, dude.
They still exist?
Yeah.
Dude,
I found
Steve
it at my
found
house. Like my actual, like,
What's
mom's
better
house.
for us?
So now we got a fidget to play with.
They have the same spin, or did you spin it again?
Oh, I spun it again. But I mean, that's a good bearing in there.
Mm-hmm.
You can't go wrong with
I
this.
got good balance.
That ABEC 9.
It doesn't look bad. This is just like even with
Like
the
this
front. If you could go back maybe a hair.
Scaramuccio sto cazzo!
Are you swearing?
Yes.
I heard you guys aren't a fan of this.
Morning.
Morning.
You know what?
You have sixes.
I don't like it.
Why not?
Well, Aaron lied to me. He said it was,
Aaron's the reason why?
yeah. He said it was easy. But it's not easy.
Do you think maybe he says that kind of stuff just to seem like all powerful?
See, I think he got mixed up. Because he said Max did the rockers. So he didn't experience the rockers.
But they've
I
done
did.
like almost 10.
Aaron said he's never done the rockers.
So the rockers are hard.
Yeah.
Is that the only part that's hard?
I didn't like the bumper either.
You PPFers only have PPF in your head. Do you like the actual car, or does the PPF install determine if you like the car?
The car's cool.
The PPF part definitely has a heavy influence.
Oh, if you like the vehicle.
Yeah.
What do you think of M4s?
Best car out there.
Best car out there?
Better than this thing.
You big M4 guy.
Big.
I could see you in one.
I'd hope.
Is that the plan eventually?
BMW has the best colors of any manufacturer.
Did they like explore more of the rainbow, or what do you mean the best colors?
I like this, dude.
This looks like a piece of paper. I don't like matte white.
Looks like what?
A piece of printer
I think
paper.
that looks better than G-Wagon matte white.
Oh, duh.
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 Oh, my bad,
What's BMW's best color?
Techno Violet, Isle of Man Green.
What's your favorite color?
man. Both of those.
Techno Violet.
It's like a midnight purple.
So have they not put it on anything new in a
I
while?
haven't done it in a while. I had a moral question for John. A moral question.
Oh.
Yeah. And it kind of like confirmed my suspicion. Yesterday, when you decided to hop in your car and peel out, I was like, interesting. So I came in here and I asked John, I said, is getting in your car and screeching your tires and speeding away morally the same as a toddler stomping his feet, walking away from having a temper tantrum? And the answer was yes.
How's that a moral question?
Morally the same.
Actually, my answer was a little bit different.
What'd you say?
I said it might be actually worse
Might be worse.
because you're an adult.
Yeah, but like a toddler would stomp their feet because they want a cookie and you tell them no. But like if I asked you a question as an adult and then you did this, wouldn't you be like,
Oh wait, maybe I didn't get the full story.
There's a disconnect here. So we're in the exact spots. Okay, this scenario is gonna work out perfectly. Okay, I was right here.
You know what?
Here we go. I was right here. He comes back and says, "Can one of you lock up the shop? I'm heading out." Steve said, "Yes."
yes, sir.
And then he looks at me, and I'm like, "What do you want?" He's like, "Can you just acknowledge when I say something, please?" And I said, "Steve already said yes. What do you want from me?"
Okay, do you want the actual truth? You
Yeah.
ready for this?
Yeah.
Full rap last week, right? Am I right so far?
You're gonna try to put that on me.
Yeah, so I'm already not happy, right? So I'm leaving on my own time. I'm gonna go drop off this badge. And I walk back and these two are back here. And I said, hey, can someone lock up? I gotta bounce right now. And Steve said, yeah. But Austin looked out of the corner of his eye at me and then looked straight ahead. We already weren't on the best terms yesterday. We were already kind of beefing throughout the day. And that just set me over the edge. And I walked outside and flipped out to Ian. And I got in my car and I peeled off because I was so pissed.
How does that? I don't understand why you got mad there. If you asked a question, a general statement to an audience, and somebody said yes, I would assume that that's all you need.
I'll keep that in mind next time you ask me a question.
Okay, but I'm asking you a question. I'm not asking you and Ian a question.
What's up?
Hey.
Hey, can I call the F-150 and the C8 and tell them noon?
Yes, Master!
That's more like it.
Who am I?
Isaiah.
They spin it and then they bounce it. So they,
Do that thing, they spin it, they bounce, they break it.
no, they bounce it to different fingers. So like you can spin it and then.
Yeah, Ian can do that. I have never in my life even held one of these.
Me neither.
Try to do the bouncing trick.